Very happy to be working with Youth Services Bureau.
I'm very, very happy to take this opportunity to say thank you very much to the Dragon Boat Foundation for the hard work they do in fundraising on behalf of charities in Ottawa. And I'm here today to say thank you to the Dragon Boat Foundation for their donation of $500,000 over the last 4 years. The Dragon Boat Foundation has been excellent to work with, and as a foundation, we're really proud of the work that we're doing together to help the youth in our community day in and day out.